Hello, in this demonstration we'll go over the ChartTalk eRx interface. To get to the ChartTalk eRx interface, you can go one of two places. On the patient screen, you can select your patient and go to the medical information tab. Select medications, and the RX button to the right hand side will launch you into ChartTalk eRx. The other place is from the visit screen on the patient's daily soap note. The RX at the bottom, you can go and say write prescription, and it'll launch the ChartTalk eRx interface. Initially it launches to the patient's record directly. The first box you'll see is prescribe a medication. So if you are a non-prescribing doctor or a representative of a clinic that is with non-prescribing doctors, you'd skip the prescribe a medications tab, and if you wanted to enter a patient medication list, go directly to medications and manage medications. We can go in and add a medication, Tums calcium for life bone. So go type in what you say, or you can just put in the first few letters and then select it from the list you're given. If you click find, you can use free text of what you typed in, or you can select an actual value. If you do that, you will bring back the RX norm mapped values for these medications. Select, put in the SIG if you have it. Say he's taking 1 tablet by mouth at bedtime. And you see here this little orange U next to the name of the drug is a warning that the drug is not on formulary, which is a requirement of your Meaningful Use software. So just to point that out. You can select their duration, or if you're just managing their list, that works too. And then just say continue. And you'll see that Tums calcium for life bone was added to the patient's active medication list. If you want to keep adding more, you can do it right through here. If there's something that you see a lot of people are on this favorites list, you can actually favor a drug when you enter it, and it'll be available from this list. That's also available on prescriptions and problem list as well. Alright, so that was the medications. We get back to our patient. Here we can switch patients again. We go to a different select patient and select whoever we want. Let's just launch back into the patient's chart. And we'll see that Tums calcium for life bone was added to the medication list. And if we scroll over, you'll see that the coded values are in the database for the drugs. It just makes it easy when you're exchanging clinical information if you're carrying that type of coding along with your notes. Alright, so here we've got problem list, allergies. Those can also be run through the Dr.First interface and brought back into ChartTalk. So if we launch the RX again, we'll go to the patient overview screen. And just like we did manage medications, we can manage allergies, manage problem list. One good thing about the problem list through this interface is it accesses an online database of ICD-9 codes if you aren't sure of the ICD-9 code you're using. Or if ChartTalk doesn't have it in, it will automatically import that in for you. Say you or your staff has written a bunch of prescriptions and you want to send them off. The action is easy as this. And this is for sending off prescriptions and accessing your renewal requests, which are both alerts at the top of ChartTalk. So we'll go send off the prescriptions by clicking the 5 prescription notifications link. If we scroll down and say we want to see all pending prescriptions for the current patient, we'll say pending, display report. It goes in, and here's all the pending prescriptions. So if we want to send them all off at the same time, we can just highlight them all very easily, put in your password, and then say send or send and print. Let's send and print. To see here, we get some warnings. There you go. As you see, we get an alert. So we can go down here and see more info about each alerts. As you see, we just got a bunch of different high scheduled drugs. So if you want to delete them off the pending prescriptions, you can delete it, continue, change it if you want. So that's how to use the e-prescription. And as you see here, we got a dose check alert. It'll also do allergy alerts and contraindications with problem lists in certain drugs. So it's a very versatile interface, and we encourage all doctors to use it in order to put in drug and problem lists and have it within Chart Talk. Thank you.